I joined early.
Yeah,
I
I joined like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes late. Like yeah, I was like at the right time at then, but I didn't see you
okay.
in the meet.
Mm,
And
maybe since you
I
told me
actually waited for 20 minutes. Like
read,
really?
even me, I waited for 26 minutes.
I waited for 20
I
minutes.
think, uh,
Then you
because
and
he's sending me multiple links to join every day.
the link is
Maybe I
always the
click
same. Okay,
no,
yeah,
because
you
I
are
have
attending several classes, but yeah, so you must have joined the link of Mahmood's.
yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that must have happened because I have got only one link for all the students, and I
Okay,
went there and no one was to be seen. You can like
okay,
in scenarios like this, you have my number, right?
yeah,
Just give me a call or something.
because I messaged the people,
Okay.
uh,
So if they respond
and
late,
they said
mm,
he didn't join or something like that.
they are quite formal, you know. Uh,
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
I don't know why they are so formal. Okay, yeah, one should be actually. Yeah, fine.
Hmm.
Um, mm, where should I start the recording? Yeah. Yeah, I've got one more year before university, right?
Yeah.
Start like something like this happened, right? In Dubai also, I guess. Like if you have good marks and all, then better university. Bad marks, bad university, something like that. Is that the case?
Mm, depending on your marks, you have a variety of universities
Right.
to join.
So the university you choose depends on the marks, yeah.
Yeah.
So better is the marks, like more options you have.
Yes.
Yeah. So work hard. Is there any exams that you have to give for that?
Think it's just on grades.
Okay. Just on grades you get into university, yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So you have explained the problem with the algorithm. Now can you give like four test data for which it will fail?
Yeah.
So can you give some examples? Like if you even if you can give one example, you can create four examples. Uh, yeah.
For which question? Same question?
Same question. Like what kind of input it
For
would be for you to get
tips.
unexpected results?
The 999, can I write it again? Greater than 999 or no?
Yeah, you can. Like it is asking you the examples to write.
Okay.
So
One is
one,
greater than
so
999.
like one could
And
be okay. One could be like this. Sorry.
and all non-numeric values.
Yeah, good, good. Like if I have AB, what is happening? Okay, let me just don't type. Delete this thing. So I could have like ABCD. The output would be 999. What does it make sense, right? Yeah, that could be
Yeah.
like and then end. That could be the case like A, B, C, and D, and there is no end, then there is a problem. It could be the case that we have got 1001, 1002, 1003, A, B, C, 4, and then N. Still, 999 will be the output. Again, we
Yeah.
can have 1000 something, 2000. And so you have to just give examples to demonstrate that all of these will give unexpected result. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, can I see that again?
Hmm.
Okay.
You can like
Yeah,
read.
if forget the end as well, yeah, that's
Hmm.
also a problem.
Never forget n, so write n here.
Okay, understood, understood.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, if you just give alphanumeric values as well, it won't work.
Yep, that's what I've written in value one. Just alpha, like give alpha value, not the new. So
Yeah.
A1, B2, C3.
Okay.
Yeah, so it won't work. Won't work. Okay, should we move ahead?
Yes.
Is everything pretty
Should.
here? Crystal clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Six. Question six is another question. Read it out and tell me if you understand what the question says. Hmm.
The pseudocode output command starts each output on a new line. A new product, my output will take a string and a boolean parameter. A new procedure, okay. My output will take a string and a boolean parameter. My output may be called repeatedly and will use concatenation concatenations to build a string using global variable myString up to maximum length of 255 characters. MyString will be output in either of these two cases. Boolean parameter value is true, the resulting string after concatenation would be longer than 255. If my string is not output, the string is concatenated to my string. For example, the calls to my output given below would result in the output as shown. My output hello, false, my output gender false, my output cat true, my output how are you true. Resulting output hello gender cat how are you. No string is installed to an empty string before my output is called for the first time. No string passed to my output. What am I supposed to write a code or something?
Yeah, the question is this is the notes and all. Write a pseudo code for my output. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do.
I'm really just lost. I didn't understand A to Z of the question.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
just
fine.
read it again. One second. A pseudocode output command starts each output on a new line. Okay. 1 second, sir. 1 second. 1 second. My pen fell under the bed. 1 second. Hello, 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 sir. Can you hear me? Could you hear me this entire time or no? No. Oh, because my mic was mute, I guess, somehow. Don't even know when I muted it, but it's mute. Okay. I didn't understand the question.
Don't understand. What did you not understand?
Nothing. I'll just read it one more time. Pseudocode output commands starts each output on a new line. Output commands start each output on a new line. A new procedure. My output will take a string and a boolean parameter. My output may be called repeatedly and will use. What is concatenation, sir?
Concatenation, it means adding up. When you add two strings, it's concatenating two strings. So, for example, if your name is Hriday, it's your title. Okay, so if someone's name is Shah Rukh Khan, and the first name is Shah Rukh, the second name is Khan, and if you want to, concatenate these two, add these two, so you just add them up. That's concatenation of strings.
Okay. Uh, a pseudocode output command starts with each output on a new line. A new procedure. My output will take a string and a boolean parameter. So I first have to declare a procedure, my output, and then my string is the string, and and flag as boolean parameter. Is that correct?
I can have a flag as a parameter. It's fine. You can have anything as a parameter.
Yeah, and then I can. So next line is my output may be called repeatedly and will use concatenation to build a string using global variable myString up to maximum length 255 characters. My output may be called repeatedly and will use. I'm not understanding, sir.
Not understanding. Okay, so let's start understanding. So the pseudocode output command starts each output on a new line. Where is my pen? Yeah. So this is the output command for you, the pseudocode of which you have to write. Okay. So this thing outputs something. Okay. Okay. At
Okay.
like if you call this something, it will output something. Now, a new procedure, my output will take a string and a boolean parameter. So it takes on a string and a boolean. What does it take? A string and a boolean as its parameter. So my output will take a string and a boolean. Yeah. I'm gonna call the string something, boolean you can call it flag, you can call it anything, a string you can call it just str or whatever you want. Okay. So
Okay.
that's a two parameter it will take. Now let's see what it does with the two parameter. So what it does is it may be called repeatedly, and it will use concatenation to build a string using a global. So my string is a global variable. Okay, my
What does that mean?
it is declared outside the function. Okay, that's what it means.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start coding it as well on the side so you understand what it's all about, like writing the pseudocode.
Are you recording, sir?
Yeah, I am from here
Okay.
now.
Also, can you send me the link to the new videos? Because I can't really
I will send you
see.
the link to my account only. Okay.
I have the link to your account already,
Okay.
but I can't see those other videos. There's only two videos posted.
Just two videos. So maybe all of them
Y-
are. private or something, and I'm not sure. I'll just see. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll see and check. I'll see and tell you. So my
Okay.
output, just remind me. So it takes on two string. It takes on two parameters. Yeah, a string. So what do you want to call this string? I'm just calling it as, like initially it was. What is the name? str. Is it fine to you? And there's a boolean which I'm gonna call, and I'm gonna call it flag. Okay, str is a string, flag is a boolean. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's write down the code for it as far as we can. And yeah, there is another string called the my string. It's a global variable, so it is declared somewhere here. My string.
Yeah.
It is some string which I don't know. It has not been given. It's something. I'm just writing something just because I don't know what it is, and the question you don't. I'm just commenting it out, and just know it's a global variable, so you can access it globally. You can access it inside of the function as well. So it's a global variable. Is it fine?
Well, no, it's not fun. Like, what is a global variable?
You remember the
Like,
questions we
like
did
a
in the previous class? The array was the global variable that we were accessing it inside the loop.
okay, that was the name. No.
Yeah, the search string. Remember
What?
the search string? If the thing matches to equals to the search string, then we increase the counter by one.
If search string is equal to data ing.
A global array is declared. Remember this? A global array. We were able to access this array inside of this too many
I didn't
function.
even read the global array then. I didn't even know what it was
The
there.
thing about a global array is you don't need to pass things as parameters inside of functions to access it. You can access it from anywhere in your code, no matter if you're inside a function, no matter
Can
if
you
you're
give me an
inside.
example?
That's
Like just a different example from this question.
suppose something you have the global array. Yeah, you have a global array over here, and I'm gonna call it data. Okay,
Okay.
and suppose you have a normal array data. The two kinds of arrays. Okay, now if I'm gonna write a function, okay, and I'm just gonna do one thing inside this function. I'm just gonna do data of 0, like the first is equals to 1. Okay, okay.
Mm.
Now if it was a global array, there is no problem. But if it was not a global array, if it's just a normal array, this thing will throw an error, because this function doesn't know where data is. This function already knows about its parameter. If I pass the data as parameter, then there is no problem. But if I have not passed just a parameter and you're accessing data, this data won't be accessed inside of this function. But if it was global,
Because that's the only available data, like item to be accessed as a function.
what?
It passes without an error because that's the only available like function available
No,
without you
you
needing
don't
to
understand it.
specify.
You didn't understand. If I said if
Okay.
it is a global data, if it was a global array, yeah, global
Yeah.
array, then accessing it is no problem. It won't throw an error. It's fine. Okay. But if it was
Yeah.
not global, if it was not global, it was just an array named data. It's a normal array. It's not a global array. Then if you're
Okay.
accessing it inside a function, then this will throw an error.
Okay,
Understand?
I guess.
If you really want to change it up, you need to pass this data into the function. Then it is fine. Then it is fine. Then the error won't be thrown. This is the
Hmm.
okay.
Okay.
So you can access it without passing it inside of the my output. That's the thing. My string. My string is a global variable.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see what more of the question says. So may be called repeatedly and will use concatenation to build a string using the global variable myString up to a maximum length of 255 characters. Okay,
Okay.
myString will be output in either of these two cases. The Boolean parameter is true. The resulting string after concatenation would be longer than 25 characters. If my string is not output, the string is concatenated with my string. For example, now it has also given examples, really. For example, the calls to my output will below would give okay. So it called my output called hello, ginger, cat, and then this is printed.
So can you send this picture on WhatsApp? The picture of
Okay,
this question that you took.
on it on WhatsApp.
Yeah. So I can check it out on my phone as well after some time.
Hmm, I sent it. So,
Okay.
your my string. It could be an empty string. It could be anything like this. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So what you're doing is you have to output the my string. You have to output the my string. For example, the cost to my output given below. So what you have to add it up to a maximum characters of 255. So first check would be when you put my output hello and if false. So this hello will be concatenated to the global string. So the my string value would be hello now. Okay. When you call this, the my string value would be hello. Okay. Then you call this, then the my string value would be hello ginger. Okay. And if you call
Mm.
this, then the my string value would be hello ginger cat. And if you are passing the parameter as true, then it will just print this out. It will just print this out as it printed it out here, and then it will reset the my string to empty string. Okay.
Okay.
Now again, my output you can put how are you, and if it is true, it will just print how are you. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And if it is
Yeah.
so yeah, you have to output it if the second parameter is true, right? The second
Yeah.
parameter is true, you have to do it out, output it out. So okay, so let's assume the second parameter is not true as of now. Okay, if it's not true, what should you do? And if the concatenation After concatenation, it becomes more than 255 characters. Then what you should do? That's two things that needs to be taken care of. Okay. So, mm, mm, mm. Okay. So you have to be concerned about the mastering. Okay. So yeah. So the news. What you have to do is you have to concatenate. Yeah. You have to
Yeah.
concatenate. So to concatenate, you just do this. My string. Sorry. Is equals to my string. Sorry. My string plus str. So you concatenated it. You added a str to my string. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
But what if adding this up messes it up, because it should not be greater than 255 characters, right? But if adding this up messes it up, so it will add only if the addition after addition the number of characters don't exceed 255. So what you do is you put an if statement. So if the length of my string, sorry, the length of my string plus the length of the str, length of str, if this thing exceeds 255, yeah, then there is a
Okay,
problem.
so if my string plus new string is greater than 255,
Mhm.
and it would be too long, else my string and new string concat with like my string, uh, and the boolean is true, then we output my string.
Yeah, so in this case you just output my string, because you cannot add it up, so just output my string. Okay.
If it's greater than 255,
Yeah,
isn't it?
we are not adding it up now. We're not adding it up. If I'm just checking if it's greater than 255, don't add it up, just output my string.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
you can do this thing as well, like you can assign the value of my string to the new string.
Okay.
You can change the value of
Yeah.
my string completely as the new string the str. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you do concatenation in the if else statement. Yeah. If it is allowed for you to add them up, else it means you can add them up. Yeah. So if you can add them up, so add them up.
1 second, sir. Someone's at the door. Hello, sir. Some. Hello. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, hello.
So some random dude just opened my door.
Okay, your mic volume is really less. Hello.
Uh, hello. Is it better now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Yeah, some random dude just opened my door.
Really?
Yeah, I left it open because I'm in class and my mom is going to come soon.
Okay.
But
So
a random dude
keep
just
keep
opened
it
my
keep
door
it
right now.
closed. I mean that's why doors are made. for. That's what doors are made for, to keep it closed.
Yeah, I didn't want to get disturbed during class, so I just left it open because she said she's coming in 2 minutes.
Okay, so hope you have closed it now.
No, I still didn't close it.
You should.
No, it's okay. I'll be fine.
Okay, it's bad, man.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Can we continue?
Yeah, that's the code.
Yeah.
That's the entire code that you need to write.
But
You understand it?
okay. But why'd you put my string as blank?
Because after you have done printing it out, so in the first case when you do my ginger cat, yeah. So the value of my string is now my ginger cat, and you print it out. After that, if you add something else, now how are you? So it will become my ginger cat. How are you? I don't want that. I want to just print how are you then. That's why I remove everything.
Okay, so it starts again.
Yeah, difference true.
Okay.
Then it's you. Yes.
Also, you have to do the end if statements.
Yeah, yeah. You can. Yeah. Pseudocode syntax. Yeah. You can use and if and yeah. You can use and if. I have actually maintained
Yeah.
indentation to represent that actually. Like if a statement is there only, but you can write and if as well.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope. Yeah. This thing you can do it on your own, right?
Uh, I have to go through it again. Sir, is it possible, like, right after this class, you can post this video?
Okay. I'll.
Because I don't want to be checking it tomorrow.
Okay. So yeah. So the second part um of it. Route written circle. So do it. Do the second part. Do the. You have got 2 days, right?
Mhm. Oh,
Two
I have
days.
2 days. Yeah, yeah.
You have got 2 days. Chapter review 8 should be completed along with this question paper. Like obviously,
Okay.
the questions in which you get stuck, you can ask me in the next class.
Okay, I'll ask
Obviously,
you. Sure.
that's not. Yeah, but complete it as much as you can. And yeah, if you
I'll
try it,
finish it.
yeah, you can. In 2 days, 2 days is too much time.
Yeah, I'll finish it. Don't worry.
Okay, I'll see it on Monday.
Okay. Please post this, sir.
Okay,
And send me the link.
okay,
And the other videos aren't visible for me.
okay. I'll see that.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.